How long should you wait before hanging something heavy after a repair depends on the repair type and the manufacturer's curing times. For drywall joint compound or surface repair discs, follow the manufacturer 3-step guidance because curing happens in stages and surface dryness is not the same as full strength. For a thin skim coat or light patch, expect overnight drying in typical home conditions, but for deeper patches, allow 24 to 72 hours per additional layer while monitoring humidity and temperature. For setting type compounds or plaster, use the product's stated set time, which often converts to several hours for initial set and up to 24 hours for full cure at room temperature. These products chemically hydrate and gain strength, even if they feel firm. For adhesive repairs with construction adhesives, allow the full cure window on the label, which can range from 24 to 72 hours for maximum bond, and avoid applying load before that window closes. For fast repairs using polymer-based fillers, check that the filler is not only dry to the touch but also hard through the thickness by probing gently in an inconspicuous spot before loading. To speed safe loading times, control drying conditions by increasing ventilation, keeping climate stable, and using a fan or dehumidifier to lower relative humidity where feasible. Common mistakes are assuming surface dryness equals full cure, which leads to failures. Always verify by testing firmness and following manufacturer cure times. Another error is hanging heavy loads directly over patched areas without distributing load or using anchors appropriate for cured material. Use toggles or spread the load to studs and let the repair fully cure first. A third issue is rushing with environmental conditions that slow cure, such as high humidity or cold. Postpone load application or improve drying conditions until the product reaches the recommended cure level. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a space where we can discuss timing and techniques for repairs with peers and professionals. We help contractors find work by letting them showcase projects and participate in our active discussion community.